His songs have been in our hearts for the past 25 years and joining us in every heartbeat and heartbreak without us even knowing it. So now get to know the man behind the music as Mick unveils to you the hitmaker, Benny Saturno. Hey guys, I'm VJ Carell, and in the next hour we'll be under the spell of master OPM composer Benny Saturno and learn the storied success of the man who penned timeless OPM hits such as Be My Lady, Sana Kahit Minsan, and Bakit Pa, just to name a few. And without any further ado, here he is, the one and only Mr. Benny Saturno.
Sa church ako nag-umpisa, 1979, sa Pinaglabanan Church sa San Juan. Nagtuturo ko ng choir hanggang na-develop na rin yung songwriting ko. And until now, andun ako sa Pinaglabanan Church. Tumutugtog ako. So, siguro mga 26 years na ako dun sa Pinaglabanan Church. Nagtuturo ko before. High school days, siyempre, magkabarkada, tututo kang mag-gitara, and ma-involve ko sa mga grupo-grupo. And nung high school ko, meron akong, kaya ko na maayos na ako mag-lyrics. And hindi ako kumakanta lagi, but yung mga program-program, tumutula-tula, gano'n. So, mula noon, nalaman ko na meron pala akong ganun talent until hindi ko siya inisip na magiging ako, as in, magiging dito ako, sitwasyon ko ngayon. Until nung time na working for 7 years in a Xerox company as a meter reader at saka collector nung kumpanya. Nakakapagod yun from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock magka-client call ko. And then, sabi ko parang, ang hirap yata, parang hindi ako asenso na. Sabi ko, pag empleyado ka, parang wala kang chance na magkapera ng maganda. So, sabi ko, drastic yung move na bigla akong huminto. 1 year ako nagtambay-tambay, nag-concentrate ako sa songwriting. And that was 1980. Yung career ko, 1980. And ang demo namin yun, matatawa ka. Siyempre, hindi ka naman, wala kang facilities na makakapag-record ka ng magandang quality. So, may tunog ng tricycle, may tahol ng aso, may ingay ng kapitbahay. Pero, no choice ka. But kung hindi, gusto mo talaga makapasok sa industriya, nag-present ako sa mga record company ng mga original songs ko. Siguro na napagod na ako dun sa ginagawa ko as in working for a company. Na sabi ko, try ko lang na baka sakali tamaan ko yung music, yung business na ito, baka tanggapin ako as a songwriter. And I was so lucky na merong isang snap for record dun sa Dyna.
Benny started as a humble songwriter. Very humble yung taong yan. The first time I met him, nag-present siya ng mga songs. Na nakita ko yung mga songs na may forma, kaya lang it only took a little arrangement in it. How to put this one over that one over. I gave him some pointers. And Benny is a very quick learner. Ang bilis natuto. That's why he zoomed all the way to the top. No, nalagpas-lagpasan na yata ako. But it's alright. I don't mind. But looking at Benny now, he's my living trophy.
Siya yung nag-alalay sa akin. Kaya ang tayo ko sa kanya si teacher. Siya yung talagang nag-guide sa akin kung paano yung paggawa ng song. Ano ba yung hinahanap ng record company? Paano yung pag-musical scoring? Kaya malaking utang na lang po sa talent.
Be my lady, come to me tonight, and be my lady. Truly I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you. How I need you. So please, be my lady.
Be My Lady, sinulat ko, yun na ginawa ko yun purposely for a Metropop. I-entry ko siya sa festival. But, yun na, yung kwento niya is parang panaginip yung kwento noon, yung lyrics noon. At inabot ako ng isang buwan para matapos. Actually, sis napalig ko, tinulungan niya ako mag-edit-edit ng mga... And finally, I was able to finish that song.
Nung ginagawa yung Metropop noon, yung mga recordings ng Metropop ng Be My Lady, it was not yet a winner, it was just being recorded by Pedrito.
The actual singer of that hit song, Be My Lady, of Benny Saturno, was a man by the name of Pedrito. And he was in the professional division of the Metropop, the 6th Metropop, and I was a contestant for the amateur division. And I got first place in amateur division, and Be My Lady got third place. But after Metropop, they didn't know what to do with the song. So Benny Saturno, very young, kachupoy guy, walks over to Chito Ilagan and says, "Hey, do you have a singer for my song that I just got third place for?" And here we have a new singer. He's a balladeer, Martin Rivera, blah, blah, blah. And I got the song. And it was my signature song, my favorite song, actually.
I'll give you all that I have. Be my lady. Let the sun shine through your heart and make a brand new start. Stay with me through the rest of my life.
Yung Be My Lady, inabot ako ng isang buwan para matapos ko siya kasi hindi ako ganun kagaling gusto ng... Nakagawa ko pero matagal.
And he had a problem on how to end the song of Be My Lady. He approached me. We were in the studio then. Sabi niya, "Nap, paano mo ma-ending to?" Pare, ulitin mo na lang yung bandang dulo. Yung last line. Tapos gumawa ka na ng resolve doon. Tapos na yung kanta. Huwag mo nang mag-isip pa ng iba-iba.
Good evening. That song was my very first song ever written by the man we pay tribute tonight, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Benny Saturno.
Yung Be My Lady was also recorded by Matt Monro noong 1983. The only song na kinuha niya of all na mga Filipino compositions na pinresent sa kanya, yun lang ang pinili niya. Kaya medyo sarap. Oo, kasi hindi mo iisip na yung Matt Monro katabi mo, nakikipagkwentuhan sa'yo na nung bata-bata ka syempre nadidig mo yung mga materials niya, which is isa na siyang icon sa as in singer dun sa America, di ba? And ikaw naka-short pants ka pa nung time na yon na Matt Monro, sino ba yan? And then finally, katabi mo yung Matt Monro, nakikipagkwentuhan ka, nagtatanong sa'yo. Paano mo sinulat yung kanta? Sarap ng feeling.
Benny's songs are talagang from the heart, and whether it's English or Tagalog, whether it's today's hip sound as opposed to the commercial sound that I had in the 80s, Benny always takes it from the heart and then makes the lyrics. He doesn't take the lyrics into his heart. It's completely. I wish I knew Benny personally to know where he gets all of these feelings from. You know.
Yung first impression niya nung kinanta nung naghin na kay Martin, sabi nila parang foreign. Yung, siyempre, feeling mo, wow, foreign writer. Ganun ang kategorya mo. And sabi ko nga, for a Filipino na ganun, na pagkamalan yung kanta mo, it's an honor na masasabi.